Boomy honest pricing explained what you get for your money. Boomy isn't just a music app. You won't believe how easy it makes creating tracks in minutes. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's limited to basic beats, but the surprising truth is Boomy uses advanced algorithms to generate full songs, including melodies, harmonies, and vocals, with minimal effort. Boomy offers a free plan that allows you to create unlimited songs, but streaming and monetization options are limited. Paid subscriptions start at $99 per month for the Pro plan, which unlocks full distribution to platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, higher quality audio, and advanced customization. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the revenue potential from AI-generated music. Boomy allows creators to monetize their tracks directly. Platform is user-friendly, even for beginners. You won't believe how fast you can create unique tracks by simply selecting a style and letting the AI generate variations. Pro users can fine-tune tempo, instrumentation, and arrangement, giving you professional-sounding results without years of training. In conclusion, Boomy pricing is straightforward and affordable, especially when considering monetization potential. Understanding the differences between free and paid plans helps you choose the right option to create, distribute, and earn from your music. Boomy is more than a music generator. It's a full creative platform powered by AI.